Hey guys, welcome to today's daily vlog. I'm not too sure what vlog it is, but I just noticed there is a downtown Linden car show right now, and a lot of old cars are here. Oh my goodness, look at that one. I have like the biggest like for seeing old cars, and this is one of them. This is so exciting, oh my gosh. And I got my phone so I can take pictures as well. Oh my goodness. Look at all the cars here. There are so many. Oh my goodness. Let me get a picture of this one real quick. Look at them, guys. So many cars.
Yeah, that's the thing that I really want the withered off. If you kill them, you get another star.
I don't know what kind of cars these are, but these are really exciting. So many, my goodness. This is what I like seeing, guys. Old cars from the 1990s, 1970s, anything related to that. Man, there's so many. Kitty Kiefer, if you see all these vehicles, tell me what kind these are. Oh my goodness. Look at that one. That one's pretty.
So there was 13 years, hard labor and lots of fun. Did it matter?
This one kind of looks like the Superbird from Bravo Toaster. Kind of does, but it's green. I mean, we all know the Superbird is red from the Bravo Toaster. Oh my. I'm having a blast, guys, and I love seeing these old vehicles. Let's see if we can spot one from the, what was it? The first one, the second car that was on the conveyor belt from Bravo Toaster. Can't remember what it's called. Oh, it kind of looks like it. This one does. This one kind of looks like the one that was on the conveyor belt. A little bit. That's a really cool one, my goodness. Yeah, it actually does, when you look at it. My dad got me into these cars, and I love seeing these kind of old cars at car shows. Oh, there's a red one. Look at all of them, guys. So many. All right. Oh my. There's so many, guys. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys, I'm deleting some photos I don't need on my camera, so I'm able to take more pictures. Look at that one right there. Sorry for not talking very much, guys. Let's get a picture of this one real quick. This one kind of looks like the one from Brave Little Toaster. Yeah, it kind of does, but it's not pink. Looks like a newer version, though. Now this is a car that has the colors of the Superbird. You know what this looks like, guys? This looks like the car from Cars movie, the first one. Kinda does actually, but it's blue. There's more here, oh my goodness. Which way to go? So many cars. Let's go this way. Shall we? Oh my, look at all of these vehicles. Oh my goodness. There's so many. My gosh. Let's get a picture of this one. Sorry guys, I'm really... No.
Yes, Michael. How did you
Oh my god! It's the car from Knight Rider. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, that's so cool.